Okay, let's do this.
So let's make it exciting.
I don't necessarily need to be in my husband's closet.
So you're okay with your danger for the aviators and
I've separated my closet now into casual and more dressed up. So like church or some kind of family event where I want to be cute. Like it's COVID right now, so it's not like I'm going anywhere fancy for a fancy, like I'm not dressing up for anything super fancy. But for simple things like if I'm going to go see my family for an evening and I want to look cute. I've got more dressy and casual here. The casual ends here, so I've got just these. I have about four sweaters. This is more like a long sleeve shirt. So 3 sweaters, 2 long sleeves, a couple button-up shirts, and then some like just casual tees. And then over here I have the more like cutesy, dressy shirts, and then they become more sweaters, dresses, and then big like cardigan type things like this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. But what's awesome is that even though I wasn't crazy ruthless, I have a way more space now, so I'm super excited about that. My drawer where I keep like super casual tees where I'm not hanging anything up is like basically empty. I think there's 3 t-shirts and 4 tank tops in there. So that's awesome. I love how minimal that is because then I can just grab and go. I'll tip you guys over and let you see what I've got here on the floor. Let's see. So the red sweatshirt right here was what I wore for Christmas. I'm just going to put it back in a Christmas box or like pregnant, I don't know, pregnant Christmas box. And then I've got next to it, these are, I'm going to ask my mom if she wanted any of these back. They're clothes that she either loaned me or got me for pregnancy, and most of them just really are really unflattering on me. And I have what I need, and it's already, you already feel like a giant monster when you're pregnant, so I'd like to at least look cute. So I'm going to hand her those if she'd liked any of them back. If not, I'll give them away. And then these right here, these ones are ones that are just mine, and I'm just going to get rid of because they don't do anything for me. Here I have like my stack of post baby clothes, so it's like, it works right now, but it would just look way more flattering when I'm just trying to hide a little bit of tummy. So when I'm just trying to hide a little tummy, these are those shirts. Then right on the floor, I just have this tiny little pile of totally pre-pregnancy clothes that were somehow in here still. And then this dress I'm going to hem. Fits me really nice and is super cute, but it is too long for my short girl figure. And then my leftover hangers. I'm crazy. I'm feeling so pregnant today, so tired. This is why I have no makeup on and I don't even care.